Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can enable desktop site in your Chrome in Realme smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your Chrome like this, and friends, here you can see, just click on your ID. Here it is the settings. Swipe down, click on site settings. Swipe down, here it is desktop site. You have to enable it and you have to click on any one of the articles like this. Just click on it and you will see here a desktop site. You can see friend, and if you want mobile view, just click on three buttons, and here you have to remove this desktop site. It will be in home view. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.